Asterisk features asterisk. 1. Asterisk spacious interior asterisk. Ample legroom, adjustable seating, and premium materials create a luxurious atmosphere. 2. Asterisk advanced infotainment asterisk. Latest generation touchscreen display, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB ports. 3. Asterisk safety features asterisk. Toyota Safety Sense Suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. 4. Asterisk powertrain asterisk. 3.5L V6 engine or hybrid option, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. 5. Asterisk comfort asterisk. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and panoramic moonroof. 6. Asterisk convenience asterisk. Power sliding doors, smart keyless entry, and hands-free tailgate. 7. Asterisk advanced technology asterisk. 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and wireless charging. Asterisk characteristics asterisk. 1. Asterisk elegant design asterisk. Sleek exterior lines, LED headlights, and a prominent front grille. 2. Asterisk luxurious interior asterisk. Premium leather, with trim and ambient lighting. 3. Asterisk smooth ride asterisk. Advanced suspension system and noise reducing materials ensure a quiet ride. 4. Asterisk agile handling asterisk. Responsive steering and robust braking system. 5. Asterisk fuel efficiency asterisk. Estimated 20 to 25 mpg, combined 3.5L V6, or 30 to 35 mpg combined hybrid. Asterisk reliability asterisk. 1. Asterisk Toyota's reputation asterisk. Renowned for building reliable vehicles. 2. Asterisk proven track record asterisk. Alphard's predecessors have demonstrated exceptional durability. 3. Asterisk comprehensive warranty asterisk. 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. 4. Asterisk maintenance asterisk. Routine maintenance, schedule and affordable replacement parts. Asterisk versatility asterisk. 1. Asterisk seating capacity asterisk. Accommodates up to 8 passengers. 2. Asterisk cargo space asterisk. Ample room for luggage, gear, or cargo. 3. Asterisk configurability asterisk. Sliding and reclining seats for customized interior layout. 4. Asterisk towing capacity asterisk. Up to 3,500 pounds, 1,588 kilograms. Asterisk cost asterisk. 1. Asterisk base price asterisk. Around $50,000 3.5L V6, or $55,000 hybrid. 2. Asterisk trim levels asterisk. Multiple trims, including luxury, executive, and platinum. 3. Asterisk options asterisk. Additional features, such as premium audio or moonroof, available at extra cost. Asterisk preferability asterisk. 1. Asterisk luxurious experience asterisk. Unparalleled comfort and convenience features. 2. Asterisk advanced safety asterisk. Comprehensive suite of safety features. 3. Asterisk reliability asterisk. Toyota's reputation for building durable vehicles. 4. Asterisk resale value asterisk. High resale value due to Toyota's strong brand reputation. Asterisk significance asterisk. 1. Asterisk flagship model asterisk. The Alphard represents Toyota's commitment to luxury and innovation. 2. Asterisk market leader asterisk. Competes with other high-end minivans, such as the Honda Odyssey and Chrysler Pacifica. 3. Asterisk technological advancements asterisk. Showcases Toyota's latest advancements in safety, comfort, and convenience features. 4. Asterisk status symbol asterisk. The Alphard's luxurious design and premium features make it a desirable status symbol,